I'll go ahead and pop this babies on too. And man, I'm super hyped. Precision Raceworks. Here's what I gotta say while I open this stuff up. Amazing, amazing, amazing customer service. I reached out prior to doing anything, and they got back to me and answered all my questions right away. So that says a lot. So definitely happy with that. Of course, we got this baby right here. Let's see what comes in here. Maybe I should make a big old video about this stuff. Motor's reflex, which comes with your standard wiring harness. I think this one goes out the door. For the motive reflex one. And then it looks pretty pimping here. Here is the actual unit itself. What's this look like? Whew. So you guys can see. Gotta register that thing. Anyways, full box. Comes with a standard harness here. Go ahead and put this aside. And I have my plug and play harness, which goes to the G80 I got from them. Hopefully this works good. It looked pretty easy to install, so put that over there. 360 fitting and my ethanol sensor. And I go in line on the bottom. Then I have my my ethanol plug to the reflex. My motive reflex sensor for the bar pressure. This is for the fuel regulator. Alright. And here we got the port injection. I was about to say, damn, they got me. Comes in the box. So we got a support. Got a sticker and a support. QR. Fuel rail. This comes with the bungs, the close-off bungs. We're not gonna need that, so I gotta use that. Main line, so just T in. If I was gonna T in, but I'm doing individual. This baby right here, so we can go ahead and drill the stock manifold and the fuel rail. Pattern black. I don't want to do no flashy shit, so anyways, that's that. Put this back, put this away. Here. Big old box here. Let's see what we got in here. If I didn't know what I ordered. But y'all don't know. We're gonna be surprised together. Woo. Can you guys smell horsepower? I sure as hell can. Dual pumps. Bracket is sick, bro. The videos don't do it justice, man. Like low key, this bracket looks amazing. Love it. Alright. Dual fuel pumps. Set this baby like this. fuel hat, guys, look at this. Woo! Looks so freaking nice. Auxiliary, return, and main. Like, shit, man. Auxiliary and main. I'm not gonna talk shit and say it looks easy, because it never is, but at least pretty well. Good instructions in there. Alright, so we got 2 solid state relays. This is gonna be for my 2 main pumps, or my 2 auxiliary pumps. This is gonna be my main harness. Guessing this is gonna be my pump harness, my pump power harness. It's gonna be my splitter, my plug and play. I think this is the splitter for the stock pump, and this actually goes to the hat. These are my relays, solid state relays. So, okay. My Y. Fuel pressure regulator. Brackets to hold the fuel pressure regulator, brackets to hold the fuel lines. Fuel filter, intake fuel filter. I'll take all the way out. I'm guessing this is either, what is this, smooth performance? There's one of the lines, I think this is the return line. I believe this is my fuel rail lines and feed line. I've got another one of those, which I don't know where that goes, so I'll have to look at some videos. And my fuel filters. Anyways, guys, you can now see where this is all heading to, and wish me luck, man. This is a lot of work, and I'm on the quest to open a can of whoop ass. So catch you guys on the next one. Subscribe, follow to keep up, updates on as far as the build goes and everything like that. But I'm super excited. Hopefully everything goes well. Subscribe, man, so you can see what's coming. It's gonna be a nasty G80.